Okay. Thank you. Well, here I am Ona Sumikasu, would like to deliver a presentation entitled Investigating Factors Contributing to Reading Difficulties Among Elementary School Students. Well, allow me to share screen first. Okay. Here, the title of my study is Investigating Contributing Factors to Comprehension Difficulties Among Young Readers. Well, here I am Ona Kaltsum as the first author, and the second author is Stella Herliana, and the third author is Sinta Dia Ayu Pitaloka. We are from Universitas Muhammadiyah Surakarta, Indonesia. Okay, first I would like to share with the background of this study. The background of this study are first I see from the reading problems aspect, and the second one I see from the report of by ASA or PISA. Well, there are several reading problems in elementary students. The first one there is a beginning reading difficulties. The students struggle with the basic reading skill. The second one, the students has reading comprehension issues. They have trouble in understanding and interpreting text. The third one, the students has low motivation to read. And the second one, from the report from PISA, Indonesia has ranked 74 below Singapore, Malaysia, and Thailand. Means Indonesia ranks far below its regional peers in reading abilities. Well, these two problems become the central point why this research needed to be conducted. Well, the purpose of this study are to identify factors contributing to reading comprehension difficulties in elementary school students. Okay, next, the method. The method here apply qualitative approach. Well, the data obtained through interviews with students and teachers. Besides, we also conduct focus group discussion. There are 9 students we are interviewed and 9 teachers, and the students and the teachers are from upper class teachers and students. Besides, we also conduct focus group discussion to find the solution of these problems. Okay, well, next is the data analysis. Data were analyzed using the Miles-Huberman Interactive Analysis Model, which includes the stages of data reduction, data presentation, and drawing conclusion. First, the data reduction. We select, focus, and simplify the data, the raw data. And then after that, the raw data was organized and displayed in a clear and systematic way. So we got the new data. And then after that, we interpreting the data and then identifying patterns and drawing a conclusion. There are the way we have reduced the data reduction. Next, the finding. We categorize the finding from 2 aspects. From the result of interview with the student, and the second one, the interview with the teachers. Well, from the interview with the students, there are several causes of reading comprehension difficulties. Here, I would like to explain from the student perspective. The reading comprehension difficulties from the student perspectives are mainly caused by, the first one is a limited vocabulary. So the student lack knowledge of words needed to understand the text. And the second one, the students rely heavily on teachers or parents' help. The third one, the students struggle to grasp the content of lengthy passages. The next one, sometimes the students have got reading ineffective reading strategies. So they need effective reading strategies. Okay, this is the result of the interview from the student aspect. Next, the teacher's perspective. From the teacher perspective, we categorize into major factors and minor factors. The major factors are the student has low reading interest. The second one, the student struggle to focus and stay attentive while reading. The third one, this is because the impact of COVID-19 pandemic. So when in the COVID-19 pandemic, students has limited face-to-face interaction. This affected students' reading development. And the next one, the student has lack of parental guidance. Besides, the school initiative and encouragement for reading are still low. And the minor factors are limited mastery of new vocabulary. Students find it hard to understand new words which affect comprehension. The next one, difficulty reading complex sentences. Although the students struggle to grasp long and complex sentences. Next, the student easily distracted, and then student has low physical limitation, and then besides, the student also has unconducive learning environment and inadequate facilities and infrastructures. Okay, this is the discussion. Okay, the result, the finding has been supported by previous research. The first is Remes, Carrillo, and Moreno Perez, which stated that the importance of early detection of reading difficulties in elementary school students using the response to intervention model. The research indicates that reading difficulties often arise from a combination of linguistic and cognitive limitation, as well as a lack of systematic intervention. And Yi stated that in the context of L2 reading comprehension showed that different cognitive attributes, which is vocabulary, synthetic processing, and inference, play a role in determining the level of success in comprehending text. Next, Romero Diaz also stated that complexity and reading challenges have also been shown to exacerbate reading difficulties. And then the conclusion. Well, after we deliver background, the finding, and then the discussion, we can conclude that reading comprehension difficulties are multidimensional and require comprehensive and collaborative intervention involving students, families, school, and surrounding community. Well, I think that's enough. This is my presentation. Thank you for watching and see you.